Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll and find security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down again and here we've got unknown source installations, so let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, for example, if you want to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on the switcher right next to it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to allow Chrome to install apps, and it tells you that some external sources are not verified by the developer, so you're doing it on your own risk. If you are ready, tap on allow. As you can see, it immediately changes. Let's get it back. It is also visible right here, so it means that from now on you will be able to download something from the Chrome. Let's tap on it here, and if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here again. And that's it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.